Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a meatball sub casserole. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 can of the 8-count refrigerated biscuits. Then you need a 14-ounce bag of frozen Italian style meatballs, and you want those thawed, so mine thawed out in the refrigerator overnight. Then you need 1.5 cups of marinara sauce, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then 2 cups of shredded cheese. I like the Italian style, but if you just want to do mozzarella, you can just do mozzarella. So let's preheat our oven to 375. And I'm going to spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. Okay, next open up your biscuits, and we are going to cut each one of these biscuits into 8 different pieces. And then just add those to your baking dish. Okay, my biscuits are all chopped up, and I just kind of stuck them in there like that. There's no rhyme or reason to it. So next we're going to add our marinara sauce over top. Alright, my marinara sauce is on there, and then I added my garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Now I'm just going to stir that around to mix all the seasoning and the sauce all into the dough. Alright, now I just nestled all my meatballs on top of that. I really thought there was going to be more than that, but it should work out fine. So next we're going to place half of the cheese on top. Okay, that looks good. So next we're going to spray some aluminum foil with cooking spray. Okay, I sprayed my aluminum foil with cooking spray, and then spray side down. You want to cover it. And now we are going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 375. Okay, my casserole just came out of the oven, and now I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the cheese on there, put it back in the oven, this time without a cover, for about 15 minutes. And if you want to broil it the last couple minutes, you can do that too. Alright, that just came out of the oven. You can hear it sizzling and boiling. So we're going to let that cool off, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. It smells amazing. Hey, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.